Step 6.
Jack the bottle jack up so it extends approximately 50 mil. Unscrew the extension part of the ram, approximately 50 mil as well. Place the jack block on top of the ram extension.
Notice there's a little slot in there which locates on top of the jack block, on top of the jack, and houses in there.
Place the 2 jack block retainer ears to the underside of the jack block using 4 M10 by 20 dome head Allen bolts and secure firmly.
It's not high enough to get your alligator in there, just keep winding it up so you get a bit better angle.
Wind the ram extension down by turning the jack block so that the jack block is now in contact with the main ram of the jack. The 2 tapped holes in the back of the jack block should face the opposite way to the release screw on the jack. Lower the jack back to the fully retracted position.
Because there's no springs on here yet, you just have to push the jack down manually by hand. Step 7.
Orientate the bender frame with the high tie bar closest to you. Remove the far left hand side plate bolt to enable jack to fit. Place the jack into the bender frame so that the release screw is facing you. Reinstall side plate bottom. Insert the follow bar roller pin through the slot in the bender side plate and into the ear on the jack block. Insert the follow bar roller between the 2 jack block ears and push the pin all the way through to the other side of the bender. Note, the jack will sit offset in the bender.
Step 8.
Fit the follow bar support plate with the 10 mm thick plate spacer between the jack block and the support plate. Orientate the holes to the top Use 2 M10 by 30 Allen head bolts and M10 flat washers to secure, but before tightening, align the top of the support plate to just below the top of the roller. Tighten firmly.
So here we just want to make it basically just so that the surface of this plate is just below the roller. So there we can come up a little bit. It's just a mil or so. Make sure it's nice and parallel with the roller. And then you can nip up, tighten those bolts. Step 9.
Use 2 M10 by 40 Allen head bolts for securing the springs to the bender side plates. Place a nut onto the bolt and wind down approximately 25 to 30 mil. Insert M10 washer onto the bolt, then fit the bolt to the centre lower hole for the manual version or to the upper hole for the air hydraulic version. Fit M10 washer and nut and tighten. Ensure the jack is in the fully retracted position. Hook a return spring over the bolt head previously fitted and stretch the spring and place it over the follow bar pin, checking to ensure it locates in the groove.
Just bring those bolts through so they're just flush with the inside of the nut, and then tighten the outside. There's 2 springs that come with in the jack. Easiest to hook the spring onto the bolt first. Use a bit of muscle. Pull that onto there. Making sure it goes into the groove. Step 10.
Make sure all items are correct and tight. Check jack operation to ensure alignment is correct with the side slot in bender side plates.
Go over, check all your bolts tight. As we mentioned, the jack does sit offset to allow for that. It doesn't matter. It doesn't really matter where the pin sits, but you'll find it'll self-center in there. Check again, make sure that your roller's still nice and aligned with the follow bar plate. And that's basically about it. You can just check now and make sure that the jack does operate. Start there. You just cycle the jack up for a full stroke, make sure it returns fine. And then you're good to start bending. So there you have it. That's the general assembly of the Model 1 manual bender. Thanks very much for purchasing Australian made product. Remember that we've got a massive range of dies available for this bender and our other benders. They're all in stock, pretty much ready to go. So once again, thanks very much and see you later.